Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kanchan Grover. In this video, I am going to discuss Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology course, May-June 2016, Paper 3. Paper 3 is a practical examination which is 2 hours and 30 minutes long. Today, I am going to focus on the questions of website authoring or web designing. So let's jump to the website authoring section. Task 3 Web page. You are going to help develop a website for the Goa Elephant Sanctuary to raise awareness of the project. Viewers of the website may have slow internet connection, so efficient markup must be used. Create a new folder called 1632_HTML. Locate the following files and place them in your 1632_HTML folder. Start. First of all, I will create a new folder by right click, select new folder, and name of the folder is 1632_HTML. Now I will copy all the files. You can copy or move image 8 and low. So I will move all the files to newly created folder. Next. Question number 18. Create a web page called 1632ges.html. For this, first of all, I'll copy the name of the file, minimize it, open expression, click at File, New, and select HTML. Now to save the name of the file, click at File, select Save As, select your folder, and paste the file name. Click at Save. Now you can see the file is saved with the given name. This web page must work in all browsers and will have a table structure as shown below. Each table cell is identified with a letter and all dimensions are in pixels. So for this we need to create a table. So first of all we'll find out how many columns and how many rows are there. So I will start with the rows 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 rows and how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to create a table with 4 rows and 4 columns. For that, click at table, insert table and change the row and column of the table. So there are 4 rows and 4 columns. Click OK. So table is inserted. Now you can see in the question paper the first row and the last row, these are the fully merged. For that, select the first row, right click, modify and select merge cells. In the same manner, select the last row, right click, modify, merge cells. Next, now we need to change the dimensions of the cells. So for the first row, the dimension is 736 by 172. For that, select the first row, right click, select cell properties and tick specify width. So the first width is 736. Specify height is 172. Apply, OK. Now for the last row, the dimension is 736 by 140. So we need to change for the last row also. So right click, cell properties, width 736. Specify height is 140. Apply. OK. Now, in question paper, you can see the width and height is same for second and third row. So, for that, I will select both the rows together. Right click, select cell properties and change the height and width. 184 and height is 140. Apply. OK. Now you can see the height and width for all the cells are changed. Next question. Table borders and the letters shown in the table must not appear on your final web page. So this we will see later. Number 19. Place in cell A the image 1632 logo.jpg. For this, click at the first row, select Insert, Picture from File and select the logo file. Then alternate text. Alternate text means if the image file is not displayed, some text should be there. So I will name as logo. Press OK. The image is inserted. Next. Resize this image to 730 pixel wide, maintaining its aspect ratio. For that, right click on the image, picture properties, click at appearance, and this under size, this specify size should be ticked. It means if I will change the width, height should change automatically. And the width is 730 pixel. So here I will write 730 and you can see when I change the width, height is also change. Press OK. So the picture is inserted in first row. Question number 20. Using the most appropriate image from 1632 image1.jpg to 1632 image a.jpg, place in cell B the image of an elephant in a river, C the image of an elephant ride, D the image of a stream in the jungle, E the image of a garden. Question number 21. Make sure that appropriate text is displayed for each image if it's not available. So I will copy the text and will insert the image in cell B. So insert picture from file, select the image and here I will paste the text. OK. Next is elephant ride. Insert picture from file. So this is OK. Next is stream in the jungle. Insert picture from file. So this we can take. And last one, garden. Insert picture from file and this is the image of the garden. Question 22. In cell F, enter the text elephant bath time. G, enter the text elephant rides. H, enter the text trek up a jungle stream. I, enter the text chill out in our tranquil gardens. Set all these text as style H1. So for this, first I will copy the first text and place it in the given cells. So one by one, I will copy the text and paste it in the given cells. So this is the last text. Now, next is we need to change the style to H1. So for that, I will select all the text, click at none, select H1, that is heading 1. So you can see the size of the text is increased. Question number 23. Place in cell J the text updated by followed by your name, center number and candidate number. So for this, I'll copy the text and place it here. So after that, we need to write the name followed by my name, center number and candidate number. After this, set this text as style H2. So I'll select the text. From the drop down menu, select heading 2, that is H2. Question number 24. Centerline the table in the browser and save the web page. For this, select the table, click at the center alignment button and save it. Question number 25. Create a new cascading style sheet to be used with the website. All color codes must be in hexadecimal. Make sure your style sheet contains no HTML. The specification of the style sheet is given below. Save this style sheet in your 1632_HTML folder. Use the file name STYL followed by your candidate number. For example, if your candidate number is 4 times 9, then you will call the file STYL 4 times 9.css. For this, I will copy the name of the file, click at File, New, select CSS. To save the file, right click on the untitled.css, select Save and paste the name of the file and followed by candidate number 4567, and it should be stored in the folder 1632_HTML. So you can see the file is saved with the given name. Next is now we will change the specification of the style sheet. So first is background color for web page, which is black. So for that, click at Format, select New Style, and from here we will select Body because we are going to change the background color. So click at Background and select black color. So you can see these are 6 in numbers, so that's why it is called as hexadecimal number. So click at Apply and OK. Next, H1 and H2 font is Helvetica, but if not available then Arial, or if these fonts are not available, the browser's default sans serif font. To change the font, first of all I'll select the first font and it should be applied for both H1 and H2. So again click at Format, select New Style, and here I will write H1, H2. Now here I will paste the first one, comma, Arial if it's not available, comma, and if both are not available then by default there should be sans serif. Control V. Press OK. So you can see the same font will be applied for H1 as well as H2. Next is H1, text color white, 30 pixel high, alignment center and italic. For this, again click at format, new style and select H1. You can write as well as you can select, and color should be white. Size should be 30 pixel. Pixel means px. Now we need to change the alignment. Alignment is center and italic. So italic we can select from here. Font style is italic and alignment is in block. So text align is center. So apply, OK. Next, H2, text color blue, red and green. So the format is like this, red, green and blue. So we need to change it. Again we'll select, click at format, new style, and now we will select H2. And the color scheme, I will select first black color and let's change to red color first. So I will enter 2FF. Then green color is also FF. And blue is single zero. There should be 20 because these are 6 in numbers. So 2, 4 and 6. So yellow color is displayed. Next is 20 pixel high. So size is 20 px means pixel and alignment is right. So alignment is in block and from here we will select right. Apply, OK. Next, table no visible grid lines or borders. Now for this again we'll click at format, new style. From here either you can select or type, I will say table comma td, table as well as table data. The border should be, width should be 0 because we don't want any grid lines. So I have entered 0 here. So save the style sheet. Already we have done that. I will simply save that. Next, evidence, take a screenshot showing the content of your style sheet. Place this in your evidence document. Make sure the file name is clearly visible. So we need to take a screenshot of this. So I will press print screen. Open your evidence file. Here I will paste it and crop the information which is not required. And drag it so that the information should be clearly visible. You can see the file name is clearly seen as well as the different tags are also clearly seen. Question number 26. Attach the style sheet saved in step 25 to the web page saved in step 24. Save the web page. For this, in the HTML file, click at Format, select CSS Styles and select Attach Style Sheet. Now click at Browse, select your folder and select the CSS file. Press OK and now you can see the CSS file is attached. And the changes that we did in CSS file, all the formatting is done in HTML file. Now save the file. Evidence 2. Display the web page in your browser. Take screenshot of the web page in the browser and place this in your evidence document. Now we need to display a web page in browser. For that, click at File and select Preview in Browser and select your browser. So this is your web page. To take a screenshot, press Print Screen, minimize it, open your evidence document and place it here. After this, I'll crop it so that the information which is not required, that should not be displayed. So this is my web page. Question number 26, evidence 3. Take a copy of the HTML source and place this in your evidence document. So for that, I will click at Code and select the whole data. Either we can press Ctrl A or simply select it. Press Copy, Ctrl C, open your evidence document and paste it here. So this is my source code. So that's all. This is the last question. Today I have discussed questions of website authoring. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you all have understood. And if you still have doubt, please watch this video again. My next video will be covering different questions of website authoring. So keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Goodbye and take care.